Are you ready to take your security audits to the next level? Today, I'm diving into the power of combining pentesting with OWASP. First off, why should you care? Pentesting on its own is great, but when paired with OWASP, you get a comprehensive security strategy. OWASP provides a proven framework and guidelines. It helps you identify common vulnerabilities effectively. Think of it as your security blueprint. Pentesting, on the other hand, simulates real-world attacks. It tests your defenses in a practical, hands-on manner. This dynamic approach reveals hidden weaknesses. When you combine these two, you cover both theoretical and practical aspects of security. OWASP guides you, while pentesting challenges your systems. Imagine having the best of both worlds, a structured framework and real-world attack simulations. Your audits become robust, thorough, and deeply insightful. Now it's time to implement this powerful combination. Start by familiarizing yourself with OWASP's top 10 vulnerabilities. Then conduct regular pentests to validate your defenses. By integrating pentesting with OWASP, you'll level up your security audits. Your organization will be better protected, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for any threat.